What's going on, guys? We are at Englishtown Raceway Park for opening moves.
What? Why am I in the background of this?
You're in the background of it. Rival Media, SR20 movie. Show them your glasses.
Oh yeah.
Show them to the
Come on, they can see themselves in this.
Where's your car?
One Motion Garage.
How long? For what? Getting caged?
Caged and custom wire and harness. Bouncing harness.
Now, how about your car? What the hell's going on with that?
I ruined it.
Let's see it.
I need a new sponsorship, Wendy's.
I mean, I'm digging the multicolor. I like it. So Eric's gonna come by. We're gonna get all this content. Booby's gonna come by and get all this content. Get Chinese food at the sushi joint. But real Chinese food, the real man Chinese food. Clubloose has been doing it for 16 years right now, and they crush it all the freaking time. So yeah, so we're gonna go check out the content right now. They switched up and they got empanadas now. So there's an empanada guy that comes out. He's not empanada guy, but that's the guy right there.
Round one, fight!
Let's go down.
So a vented hood, you can literally, you can just go in and like unplug my distributor. Like, don't even.
Come on. Alright, car check. This is a multicolored car. Not real LMGT4s, these are LMGT4s.
They're poor?
Yeah, I am poor. Sports, maybe? Yeah. Yeah, those are good. Yeah, just keep letting them out.
Okay.
Forward grip. Left air, forward grip.
He's not even driving today.
If you come on over here, it's got a whole interior. A bunch of tools because it sucks and breaks all the time.
So Eric is the definition of bare necessity drifting, which he lets his seat time worry more about anything else than parts and crazy money.
I'm just poor. I'm just really poor. I quit my job and became an idiot. But a Ferrari,
he can actually wheel though.
Yeah, it's a Ferrari. It's real.
Does it work?
Yeah, it's actually an OEM Ferrari mine. It is real.
I want to ride. What up, legend?
Hi.
If you guys didn't know, this is Fable. Fable drives a blue car.
Blue.
What up, buddy? What's going on? What up? What up?
Am I gonna be?
What up? What up? What up? We
YouTube,
We vlogging. We vlogging. We vlogging. Yo, blow that snot rocket out with no now.
We're gonna be on YouTube.
Wait. Hey, we collabing now. What?
Yo,
YouTuber? Yeah.
Look at the shirts, man. We planned this.
Nice. Nipple. Sponsor shirt. Don't tip it. So we are at Clubloose with the homies, Mike Power. Chilling.
Tell him about it. I want you to poke your head. I want you to Hunter poke Justin.
Hit me in the head.
Poke him. Poke him.
Poke him good. Ow, damn.
Good job, Hunter. There you go. Get him. Poke him.
Watch it go right through, like no. So follow Mike Power Racing. He's going to be
the YouTuber. He's vlogging over here. We're at a drift event. We're doing 2K19.
Barry's the guy that almost put us in jail in Delaware.
All tracks. That's good. Almost only counts in horseshoes.
Hotler! Hotler! But yeah, we're definitely gonna collab with Mike Powers, do a video.
Yeah, Mike Power Drift, Instagram, Power Racing, YouTube.
LLC.
Yeah, Power Racing LLC. We're a company now. We're gonna be selling stuff.
Hell yeah! So he's gonna swing by the shop. He's gonna do a shop tour of our shop, and then we're gonna get his car to do a burnout at the shop.
Oh yeah, no, that sounds good.
Whole you know, shop shit
stuff. Yeah, shop shit. Yeah, I like
Deal.
shop shit.
Hell yeah, man.
We'll do that.
All right, sounds good, buddy.
Yeah, get that Corvette ready. It's probably almost on the road.
Where's that PBR, boy?
That's what I'm in here to get.
He's sponsored now.
Sponsored by Jameson now, yeah.
Oh yeah? Is that gonna be on the car for
That's
H2O?
what I dropped them. They didn't want to pay me anymore.
So I heard
They'd only give you a
I heard burnouts are like legal in H2O now.
I heard that as well. I'm gonna explore that option when I get there.
Hell yeah.
Like an episode when he's like, you trying to
That's everyone's dad.
Yo, Fable, show me the bar.
Huh?
Take the vlog and show them the bar.
Okay.
Show them like back in
We out here.
Oh, shit, is that vlog?
We're on the Flipsco vlog. Hey, here's the bar. Nope. We're vlogging. Here's the bar. Here's the bar.
Fluff it up.
There's Mike Perez.
Come on.
Okay. There's Justin. Hey, I'm in charge of giving a tour of the bar.
Ready? Flip it up.
We're doing the bar.
And now face you. There you go. You gotta film you. It's all about you, Fable. It's time for you to shine, baby. The legend.
We got Mike Howard. We got Steph R20. Alright, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this. You're not going to slam it? Slam that other one. Go. Do it!
We're saving that for church. So we're seeing a bunch of subscribers out here and an awesome amount of people. You guys are rocking Flipsco and I am super, super happy about it. I got to shout you guys out. Especially this guy that's at the Empanada truck right now rocking the kanji. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's rocking the kanji. That's freaking awesome. And yeah, I appreciate the support. Thank you guys for purchasing everything. And yeah, I think we're gonna close up booth and just get some content. We're gonna go hang out with Monica's boyfriend when he gets back from AutoZone for buying an alternator because he broke his.
Yeah, he's come back pretty soon.
Blakea! Chris, why are you out there, bud?
Aren't I?
Yeah.
My car hates me.
What happened?
I'm getting to my ECU because my alternator doesn't work, and I don't know why my alternator doesn't work. I switched it, changed the alternator, still doesn't work. I have one more.
So then,
not doing it right now. May 11th. May 11th.
Yeah.
Is the next event that I will be driving.
So if you guys are coming out to Clubloose, you can show your car in the parking lot, come in, have food, watch drifting, have a good time, see Chris shred it, see Monica shred it.
Okay.
Ooh, that's an idea.
And then you can hang out with us. We'll give you guys some free stickers and we'll make a day out of it, alright? But we're gonna sign out for now and just call it a day. There's really not much to film besides the homies. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog later.
It didn't really cover too much. It wasn't really that crazy for content and whatnot, but what I want to do is I wanted to talk to you guys about an idea that I've been talking to Chris Knapp and just a bunch of my friends about. So since there's really nothing going on car show wise at Englishtown Raceway Park, Clubloose throws these awesome drift events. Let me clear my throat. What I'm trying to explain is the fact that Clubloose throws these awesome events. There's a lot of entertainment that you guys can come out for a weekend. You guys, some events are 2-day events where you can camp, you can have fun. You can literally just stay here all weekend and enjoy. There's a bar. There is just really, really crazy drifting, the best drifting that, you know, the East Coast of Northeast can offer. There's a lot of A group guys. There's a lot of pro drifters that have, you know, kind of made their mark here and progressed through the levels in the ranks. So what I'm just gonna try and tell you guys is to definitely try and come out to one of these events. I'll let you know on the next one that we go out to. It should be Spring Moves or Schools Out, which is in May. I think you guys will definitely love it. There's enough opportunity for you guys to bring your really nice show cars and kind of display them, kind of like what Audi Mike and his boy right now did. I don't know if you can see it, but they parked right over here. There's a lot of spectators that are walking back to their cars and just checking out all the cars. If we could make this kind of like a car meet style, you guys pay to get in, you pay once, you pay at the front gate as a spectator, you come in, you can go to the bar, you can get some good food with the empanada guy like you saw before, and then it's just an overall atmosphere that is really cool. And since there's really not many car shows, why not just come to a drift event where you guys could understand and actually like have a great opportunity to just see drifting for what it is instead of just like what you see on TV. So definitely try and check it out, and we'll go from there. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you again soon. Later.